Top 5 Best Photography Lighting Kits. Number 5. ESDDI Photography Lighting Kit. This ESDDI photography lighting kit is a dream to any professional who's long wanted to build a small studio setup at home. One of the more elaborate kits on the list, this lighting equipment is worth every dollar in that every detail in lighting is accounted for in the context of personal space. Whatever role you play in the creative field, this is a promising kit that's bound to produce stellar shots and impressive results. Coming in number 4. Andoer Photography Studio Softbox. Although nothing beats natural daylight, creatives who turn to the Andoer Photography Studio Softbox lighting kit can cleverly mimic portions of natural lighting when needed. With 12 45-watt bulbs, this is perhaps one of the brightest kits you can snag in its price range today. Perfect for creatives who need to film at night or take snippets in spaces where windows are few, this lighting kit is one of the more prominent standouts you can consider in the list. Coming in number 3. Emart Photography Studio Lighting Kit. Suitable for professionals and creatives looking to accomplish various light temperatures on camera, the Emart Photography Studio Lighting Kit offers the complete set any professional will need when filming or shooting. Whether headshots or pictures of canned meat and slices of raw tuna, trust that this Emart offering can help you do the job. Coming in number 2. Lincostore AM169. Thinking of filming an online course or starting a career in TikTok? The Lincostore AM169 Studio Lighting Kit helps you take off. Like the Fovitech kit we mentioned prior, this kit is compact and easy to assemble and keep away after use. Its lighting capacity is also just as competent and adjustable as with many more expensive contenders in the market today. Coming in number 1. Neewer Photography Studio Lighting Kit. Perfect for both up-and-coming and seasoned professional photographers, this Neewer Photography Studio Lighting Kit is suitable for product shots, portrait photo shoots, and those looking to film minimal video content in the comfort of their own residential space. One of the cheaper options on the list, this alternative supplies the basics you would look for in a professional studio lighting kit, since the dramatic price tag,